Yes. These are demo classes. Now just don't write it anything normally. Just some concepts I'm telling only. Actually, what I'm telling in a previous class, Oracle is a database software. What is the purpose of database softwares? To store data permanently in a hard disk. But unfortunately, these type of softwares, database softwares, are relational database softwares. Those relational database softwares store data, structured collection of data. Okay, but before we are going to store, we are going to start those databases. I am telling you about olden days concept. In organization stores some type of data or information. I am telling. Actually, what is data? I am telling you what yesterday. It is a collection of raw facts. There is no meaning. Collection of integers, collection of characters, collection of dates are nothing but a what? Data I am telling. Again, meaningful data is also called as information. I am telling this 70 above marks, age, something I am writing only in yesterday. Now that is called meaningful data is called information. But this data or information storing in some place that is called a data store mechanisms in an organization side. Every organization uses either database, either flat file, either books and papers, these type of data store mechanisms. How many types of data store mechanisms are available? 3 types of data store mechanisms are available. Yesterday, we are telling what whenever computers are used in a way for storing data or information in organizations, in that one, flat file is the approach is there, olden days. That is 1960 before. In a flat file means what I'm telling, nothing. Just observe it here. We are writing about some programs. Suppose C language programmer. Yesterday, what I'm telling in a newcomers are there. Just observe it. So now here, this is a hard disk is there. Okay, fine. In this computer hard disk only, in a computer hard disk, in a C colon, D colon, anywhere also, in a drive also, I want to store some data. Okay, fine. Now here I want to store some data in a files format. I want that is also permanently. That is also secondary storage devices. In a C language programmer, how they are writing the what programs means just they are defining a what file structure. Yesterday I'm telling. Okay, newcomers means observe it fastly. File pointer they are declaring that file pointer is equal to, so now f open some function is there in a C language. Here, whatever file name they are giving, file1.txt or csv.doc, anything also, and now here file name, and now here write mode, read mode, something is there, write mode, writing purpose. Again, here loops are there, here while loop, so many things are there, here some functions. Whenever they are specifying a what file name in the program only, then automatically file is created. File is created in a way automatically that file is created in that location. Okay. Through the programs only, we are writing our data. That data is automatically stored in a where? In this file only. That is also secondary storage devices. Permanently data is there. That's why before we are learning what databases, what I'm telling in a 1960 before, organization uses flat file approach. Flat file approach means through the programming languages, they are storing a what data into where? In a hard disk only, in a file format only. That is called flat file approach, or your understandable file approach or anything. But what is the problem with those type of programming languages through writing a what or storing a data, reading a data, modifying data? Very difficult, really, because programming language knowledge is required. Now, through these programming languages, we are handling okay, but not so easy, very difficult only. That's why, yes, flat file approach means through the programming languages. Yes, we are storing a data in a hard disk, in a secondary storage devices in the file format. Yes, olden days, 1960, before only they are using. But what are the drawbacks are there in a bookish knowledge? I'm telling only one is data retrieval is a drawback, data redundancy is a drawback, data integrity is a drawback, data security is a drawback, data indexing. From these drawbacks only, these type of database softwares they are introducing. This onwards we are learning in our course. Okay, na? Yes, up to this one, yesterday we are starting only flat file approach drawbacks only. Why these drawbacks also? One of these stage we are learning. Why? Because architecture I am drawing the diagram. Nowadays database diagrams are different, architecture and olden days flat file approach is different. Okay, before we are going to start that one, just I'm telling you some terminology. Now check it out. Write it. Data retrieval. Data retrieval. Data retrieval. Secondary storage means hard disk. Okay, data retrieval. Now concentrate here. Suppose I am working in a company, for example. I'm a flat file programmer. I am struggling only. I am writing a big program, either C language, either Java, either .NET. Through the programs only, I am writing a big program. Through that program only, I am creating some file automatically that is stored in some location in a D drive, C drive, or anything. I'm a flat file programmer. I am writing a program only, and now here through that program, I'm storing some data into some file. Okay, fine. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. I'm opening that file, for example. Okay, in a file. I'm opening that file only, and now here check it out. Some data is there. These are flat files. Okay. Now some data is there like this. This is a flat file. We are struggling. We are writing programs. Through that programs only, some employees data we are storing only. Now observe it here. I want to read this data. Suppose here in my project side, a report is required. Yes, who are the employees are getting more than 5,000 salary or 2,000 salary? Those employee details only I want to retrieve from this file and also displayed in a user interface. They're asking. I'm a flat file programmer means just data is storing okay permanently okay, but unfortunately, yes, I want to read this data and displayed in a user interface means again I am writing a program is required. That much of difficult. Again programs. Suppose you are a C programmer means you are reading yes, data from the file means again you are writing file pointer, some program only. And now and also fread is a function we are using or not. Yes, here Java means another function, .NET means another function like that. That's why if you want to fetch the data from the where file also very difficult. Why? Because you are writing big application programs in high level languages. That's why flat file approach, data retrieval. Data retrieval means fetching data from the file in this case. And now here very difficult because again you are writing some programs only in a flat file approach. But unfortunately, we are learning about databases. We are learning about databases in a future. Okay. Database approach through how you are retrieving a data means observe it here. Suppose here you are learning about databases, for example. In a future, what is database? Those all the things we are learning now. In these databases, we are storing data somewhere, some place only data is there. Okay, fine. Millions of records are there, for example. Now, this data I want to retrieve. Suppose I want to display the employees who are, okay, so now here joining some date. Otherwise, who are getting more than 2,000 salary. Those employees I want to retrieve means here not required to write any programs. Just we are typing English like language commands only. That is called SQL language. Just we are typing SQL language. How we are retrieving the data, what type of data we are retrieving, we are learning 1 or 2 days. Within 1 or 2 days, you are learning your own way or from your friend only or net through also easy. Okay, so also very easy only. Through that one, you are learning those commands only. Then just we are typing those commands. Observe it here. I am typing those commands only. That is called SQL language. Programming language, program knowledge is not required only. And now here, yes, here, these type of some commands we are typing only. And now here, check it out. Environment I'm setting only. Something is there. These are all the things environment later. Okay, fine. Now check it out. And now here, observe it here. Suppose I'm typing some commands only like this. These commands we are learning. Okay, fine. Yes, here. Now salary is greater than 2,000. Those employees only automatically retrieved or not. Observe it here how much easy. Without writing any programming language also. Just somewhere the data is there. Where this data, how can I store those, all the things we are learning only. And now just some commands we are writing only. Through this command only, very easy way we are retrieving a data, fetching a data possible or not. That's why compared to where flat file approach, databases are easy or not, very easy. Just these commands we are learning only. Now through that one, we are fetching a data very easy. That's why always what they are telling you what ANSI standard means, if you want to fetch the data in a flat file approach, yes, here very difficult. Why? Because we are writing a what application programs in a high level languages. Retrieve data means fetching a data. Whereas in a databases in a future we are using means we are retrieving data very easy by using SQL language only. That notes write it only. Yes, here data retrieval. Data retrieval means fetching data, no? Data retrieval. Comparison I am telling only just a terminology purpose. Write it, data retrieval. In flat file approach, flat file means olden days, okay, program software. In flat file approach, if you want to fetch data, if you want to fetch means retrieve, okay. If you want to fetch data from files are there, okay, from file, then we must develop application programs. Application program is some programs here. Then we must develop application programs in high level languages. In high level languages. High level languages. Whereas in database approach, in a future databases we are learning, whereas in database approach, if you want to retrieve data from database, something is there up to now. If you want to retrieve data from database, then we are using SQL. SQL is a language is there, don't worry. Structured query language. SQL means within the bracket, first time newcomer means write it, structured query language. Structured query language. Oh, compared to flat file approach, very easy. This one databases through we are retrieving the data. Okay, yeah. Here programming language is not required. SQL language enough. Okay, na? Yeah. Yes, data inconsistency is the biggest problem. Next we are learning. Don't worry. Now that is data redundancy. Okay, now finished this one. And now concentrate here. Actually, next data redundancy. What is data redundancy? Really, data redundancy is the biggest problem? No. Another problem is there, that is inconsistency is a problem. What is inconsistency? Why inconsistency problems are occurred in a flat file approach? Why those problems are not occurred in a database approach? Through that one, ACID properties, something is there every transaction. Through that one, atomicity, durability, some concepts are there. Those things I'm telling actually next only. But unfortunately, before we are going to start that big concept, yes, you are a first time newcomer means easiness purpose. I am telling you what some concept. What is that one means practically I'm showing only. That is better to know. Actually, in a relational databases, transactions are there. Every transaction having a ACID properties are there. Through that ACID properties only automatically maintain consistent data. That is a redundancy side. I will tell you, don't write it. Okay. A means atomicity is there. D means durability is there. Through this atomicity, durability, yes, one command is there. Atomicity means rollback is a command is there. That is you must familiar in a database software before we are going to databases. Yes, durability means commit from the durability, commit is a command is there. What is commit means save. These commands, first I'm telling you what practically, that is better. In every relational databases in the worldwide also, so many fellows are learning the courses, but unfortunately, what is going on internally, they doesn't have an idea. If you are good at what regularly user commands in every database, rollback and commit transactions, that easily understandable any difficult concept also in a flat file through database approach or anything. That's why slowly observe it here. Today, at least 15 minutes or 20 minutes, concentrate. Then only data redundancy, why that redundancy, what is the inconsistency, so many things I will tell you. First, our database concept side I am telling. That is very easy. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. In a screen, observe it. In a screen only, here SQL plus is there. What is this SQL plus? Anybody have an idea? Roughly. In the future, I will tell you whenever we are starting a databases, observe it here roughly. SQL plus is a long base? No. SQL plus is a command line interface, that is tool. SQL plus is a tool. SQL plus is a tool only. Okay, fine. Slowly observe it here. What is this tool means? Concentrate here. Long base is different and a tool is different. Suppose, for example, I'm installing a Oracle software in my system. Slowly observe it here. I'm installing a Oracle software in my system. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle software in my system, some place is created in a hard disk. Slowly observe it here. This place is called a database. Okay, fine. Now I am a user. Slowly observe it here. I am a user. I want to perform some operations into this database, for example. If I want to perform some operations in the database means here we are storing the data, modifying the data, delete, so many things are there. Okay, fine. So many operations we are performing. But whenever any user wants to perform any operations in a database means always that user uses two-step process, not a single step. In a feature you are familiar, not now, just observe it only. That user uses two-step process actually. One is the first step is, don't write it here, observe it here. What is the first step means that user connect to the database. That user is this user connect to the database. And also second step is that user once connected into where that database, then only that user is communicate with the database. Communicate with the database. How this user is connected to the where database means some tools are there. Okay, some tools are there, some tools. For example, in a feature we are learning, whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically one tool is created, that is a what? SQL plus is a tool. Another tool through also we are interacting with the database, that is SQL developer, SQL developer is there, SQL navigator is there, Toad is a tool. Those are all the tools I will tell you later. Okay, database whenever we are starting that one. Okay, na? That is a tool. This is a client tool. Database is called server. This is a default tool only. Whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically SQL plus tool is created. This is a command line interface. How we are loading a Oracle software also I will tell you whenever we are starting a Oracle database. Don't worry. Once we are connect to the where this user connect with the what a database by using a what tool, SQL plus tool, then only that user is communicate with the database. How that user is communicate with the database means they are performing some operations into where database by using languages. What is the language? SQL language, PLSQL language, dynamic SQL language. Just that's why SQL language is there. SQL language is there. SQL plus is a tool. Through this tool, they are connected to the where database. This is a client tool and this is a server. Once it will be connected, then only SQL long base through they are performing operations. Okay, fine. Now slowly observe it here. Concentrate here. Suppose this is a SQL plus tool is there. Okay, fine. Like this. SQL plus tool is there. Okay, fine. This is command line interface. I'm changing settings and all these things only. How can I will tell you. This is SQL plus store. Here some users are there. Some users. Scott is a user. Some users I will tell you later. Now that user is connect to the where? Connect to the where? Database. Connect to the where? Database or not? Yes, here. Now that those users are connect to the database. Show user. Okay, any number of users also connect to the database. This is a Scott user. And now here, check it out. Any number of users also connect to the web database. Here, observe here. My name Murali. Okay, fine. Now here, in a future, you are also creating a users like this. This is a Murali user. Okay, fine. This user connect to the where database. And now here, show user like this Murali. That's why these users connect to the where database. What is database later? And now through the where, which tool? SQL plus is a tool. SQL plus is a tool. Understood? Yes. And now here, check it out. Slowly observe it here. Concentrate here. Very, very important. Every database architecture also today you are understanding. Suppose here, now check it out. Concentrate here. Concentrate here. Whenever you are installing any relational database software also, whenever we are installing any relational database software also, two parts are created. Slowly observe here. Two parts are created. Slowly. Very important this one. Practically also I'm sure. Whenever we are installing a Oracle software, whenever we are installing SQL Server software, whenever we are installing MySQL software, any software also, database software also, we are installing means how many parts are created? Two parts are created. Suppose this is a Oracle software I'm installing. SQL Server software I'm installing. DB2 I'm installing. For example, now two parts are created. Here, this is a bottom part. In this bottom part, some files are there. This is the original database, actually, hard disk only. Here, some files are automatically created. That is hard disk. In a hard disk only, some files are automatically created. Here, above part is there. This is in a RAM memory area. Slowly observe it here. A RAM memory area. This is a RAM memory area. Something is executed. Some buffers are there. Whenever we are installing a Oracle or SQL Server, DB2, SQLite, Teradata, any database software you are installing also, two parts are created. This is a hard disk. In the memory area, some executions are going on. For example, suppose I'm creating a tables. Whenever I'm creating a tables, where those tables are storing means, observe it here, in a hard disk only. Now in a hard disk here, data files, control files, read-log files, so many files are there. Don't worry. .dbf files are there. Now here in that files only in a database, your tables are available. Suppose, for example, in my database here, in a where this is a database, Oracle database. Here, test is a table is there, for example. Slowly observe it. I'm showing a practically also. This is a test is a table is available. This is a test is a table available. Now in a hard disk, practical I'm showing, now in a hard disk only. Here, some data is there in the test table. Daily we are creating the tables, storing the data. I will tell you, okay, fine. Now here buffers are there. Here buffer is there. Slowly observe here. This is a buffer. So many buffers are there. One of the buffer is there. This is a buffer. Now concentrate here. Suppose whenever we are creating a table, the table is available in a where? In a where database software side, in a hard disk only, the table is available. I am showing a EMP, DEPT, some tables, that is there in a where? In a hard disk. Okay, here, this is database part. Now, this is a server. Okay, fine. Suppose, for example, I am a user. This is SQL plus tool is there. Okay, observe it here. SQL plus tool. This is a client tool. Slowly observe it here. SQL plus tool. Easily understand. SQL plus tool. Through this tool only, daily I am interacting. You are also interacting data in a database. Here in a hard disk only, this is there. No, this is database, physical database. Now check it out. Here, some SQL plus tool is there. Slowly observe it here. Here, security purpose, username, password, enter username, password, something is there. Okay, fine. Username and password is there. Through this client tool, SQL plus client tool, through daily, we are connected to the where database. This is a database, Oracle database. And now here, yes, here, SQL Server database like that. Okay. So now here, now check it out. Here, OK button is there. Suppose I am a user. I am connect to the where this database through the where username and password they are giving. Some username I'm typing. For example, okay, so I am a developer, you are a developer. Some username and password we are typing here. Now this tool is connect to the where database. Okay. Suppose here, now check it out. Here table is there in a table format only. Data is there in a databases. Now this is a table. Test is a table. I'm showing you practically. Observe here. Before that one, this one only. Now, just I am typing a what SQL language. For example, I want to data retrieval. I'm telling you, in a previous case, flat file means very difficult. The database very easy. I'm telling you, now I'm showing that one. And now suppose I am typing a what select statement here is a suppose select statement, update statement, delete statement. We are learning in our course. Don't write it. Just a scenario. Observe it only. And now here, observe it here. Suppose I am typing a what some select statement. We are learning in our course here, this SQL language. Select a star from table name. Some commands are there. For example, what is the table is? Test is a table. Whenever we are typing a what this select statement only, I am also you are also thinking how this table test table is retrieved from this server into where this client tool and displayed means how means I am also you are also thinking this client tool directly connect to the where yes in a hard disk only control goes to hard disk, then only this table is retrieved from yes that hard disk into where this tool we are thinking. That is absolutely wrong one. Yes, in a client tool, whatever commands you are typing only, that is directly, it does not interact with the what hard disk. Always, maybe anybody good at what C language, Java, .NET, these type of languages side, whenever you are writing a what program, we are executing a program, not saving, executing a program, where those programs are executed in a RAM memory area or hard disk. Tell me, very good, RAM memory area. Same like whenever we are typing a what some commands, select statement, update statement, delete statement, so many commands are there in SQL plus tool side. Yes, in this tool only today. And now here, yes, these commands are there. Whenever we are typing these commands, where it will be executed in a RAM memory area, same like a normal languages. Suppose select star from table name means some command is there, retrieving a data purpose only. Don't worry. Now, whenever I'm typing a what this command, this client tool first checks a what, checks what requested table is available in a where, available in a where, available in a where. Yes, in a memory area, in a RAM memory area, within a buffer only, the table is available or not, it will be checking. Really, the table is available in a buffer? No, the table is not available in a buffer. Whenever the table is not available in a buffer, then control goes to where? Control goes to where? Control goes to where? In a hard disk. In a hard disk only, the table is available or not available? Available. Whenever this table is available, then a copy of the table is transferred into where? Transferred into where? In this buffer, database buffer cache, something is there. Yes, copy of the table is transferred. Observe it here. Just roughly in every database also similar concepts are there. Observe it here. Copy of the table, not original table. Copy of the table is transfer into where? Transfer into where? In a buffer. Observe it here. In this buffer only, in this buffer, copy of the table is transferred. Okay, fine. This is a what? Test is a table. It will be transferred from yes here buffer into where? Buffer. Sorry. Okay. So now in a hard disk data files into where? Some buffer. Okay, fine. Like this, something is there. Now this table is returned from this buffer into where? This buffer into where? This buffer into where? Client tool. Here only it will be display the data. This much of internal concept is there, data retrieval. But explicitly very easy. Select star from something type we are using only. And now here check it out. This test is a table is there. In this test table only automatically. And now here suppose here this is a what? S number is a column. And now here 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. And now here that's why. Yes, whenever we are requesting a what, select star from table name, first control client tool control goes to where? Yes, here in a memory area. In a memory area, the table is not there. Then control goes to where? Yes, here so many operations are there internally. DB writer, okay, so now SMON, so many things are there. And now here, yes, control goes to where? Test is a table in a hard disk. In a data files only, the table is available means. And now again, a copy of the table is transferred into where? This data files into where? In a buffer. Again, this table is returned from this buffer into where? Buffer into where? Client tool only. Okay, na? Yeah. So now here, this much of thing is there. Okay. And now check it out. Suppose here, and now don't write it anything. Suppose Really, in my database, some table is there. Okay, fine. Yes, here. Now I am opening a what? SQL plus tool. Really correct or not? Check it out. Here, some user is there, one user, password. In a future, we are familiar. This is a SQL plus tool through I am connected to the very database. In a future, you are also familiar. Now I am typing a what? Some command. Observe here. Select star from here table name. Here test is a command I am typing. Okay, fine. Yes, the table is data is retrieved or not? Yes, here. Okay, fine. Somewhere data is there in a database only. And now here the data is retrieved or not? Yes, here. Now observe it here. Now, so many times in a way, really in a project side, most of the time we are using a what? A commit is a command in a way every database side. And also rollback is a command. What happened when we are using a commit or rollback? First, we must learn only before we are going to start a database career. Very important. Now, that's why suddenly I'm telling this one. Why? Because data redundancy, inconsistency, through these related concepts I'm telling. Now, check it out. Concentrate here. Very easily understandable without any knowledge. Now concentrate, very, very, very important. Now slowly observe it here. Now presently, this is a database internally in a hard disk and also memory area is available. Slowly observe it here. This is a Oracle server. Now I'm performing operations, then easily understandable. This is most powerful, not only Oracle, but database. Now here, this is a demo class, no, something I'm telling you. And now here, this is a hard disk, is there, hard disk. Some files are there, some tables are there. Really, in a disk only, the table is there. That's why it is displayed. Okay. Slowly observe it here. This is a what? Some files are there, .dpf files. Okay, fine. Here only your table is there. Slowly observe it here. This is a table, test is a table. Now test is a table. Here S number is a column like this. Here some data 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a data. Now this is a buffer. Now here different only now. We are performing operations, then you are understandable. Every database also say. This is a database buffer cache buffer is there. Now check it out. Slowly observe here. What I am telling, whenever we are requesting a what client tool through, this is a table, select star from table. First control goes to where? In a memory area. This is a memory area, no? RAM memory area. Okay, that is called instance actually. But your understandable purpose in a RAM memory area, I'm telling memory. Okay, fine. Now here requesting a what table, it will be checking in a RAM memory area. The table is not there. Control goes to where? This in a hard disk, then copy of the table. Again, I'm repeating only. You're a first time newcomer. Yes, you're automatically, this table is transferred into where? In a buffer. This is a test is a table like this only, some data. Now this is written into where? Your client tool. Up to this one, you have an idea. Okay, observe it here. Every database also same execution. Now slowly observe here. I want to change this data 1 into 5, for example. Observe here. I want to change this data in my project 1 into 5, for example. We are performing some operation. I want to change this data 1 into 5 means in SQL prompt only. In a future, you are learning a Oracle course means update command we are using. Don't write it. Just observe it here. Update. Okay. Update means modifying the data, changing a data in a table. Okay. Yes, these commands are there, update, delete, insert, some commands are there. Don't write it only, just observe it here. I'm showing you practically, but what happened here, observe it here. Update, what is the table name? Any computer students are there, database knowledge is there. Tell me, update table name, set. Here, yes, column name is equal to new value. What is the new value? 5. Don't worry, non-technical persons, observe it here. Oh, some command is there. Where S number is equal to 1. Okay, some command we are typing. Whenever I'm typing about this command in a database, observe it here, update command only. And now here, check it out, update table name, here test only, set here S number, very interesting, S number is equal to 5, where, and now here S number is equal to 1, I'm typing. Whenever I'm typing a what, this command only, where it will be executed that command, anybody guess it? Where it will be executed that command, in a memory area or hard disk? Very good, in a memory area, because any update, delete, insert, select, any command also is executed in a where? RAM memory area. Okay, na? Yes, you know, this is a RAM memory area. Okay, fine. In this RAM memory area only, it will be executed. Okay, now what happened? Observe it here. Very important. easily understandable only, that rollback, commit, all the things only, diagrammatically very important. And now RAM memory area. Okay, fine. Now check it out. Here, this is a hard disk now. Yes, here. Now observe it here. Now I'm giving a commit rollback, easily understandable. Okay. Now this is a what a table is there. Okay, fine. Somewhere in a data files here, this a table is there. Now check it out. Test is a table. Something is there or not? Yes, here. Okay, fine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now check it out. So now here 1, 2, 3, 4, something is there. Now check it out. Whenever we are performing updation operation, where this command is executed in a RAM memory area, in this buffer only table is there or not? Yes, here. Okay, already this table, test table is there. Okay, fine. Now here, yes, here, what is the new value? What is the new value here? 5. Very good. What is the old value? I want to change this 1 into where 5 only. Okay, for example, my interest purpose. Now, what is the new value? 5. What is the old value? 1. That 5 is a new value for the transaction is stored in a where? In a buffer only, here some place. Here, new value is stored in a where? Some place. 5. Here, new value is stored in a where? Dirty reader, this one. Otherwise, new value, I am writing only. Here, dirty reader actually, yes, dirty buffer, new value. Okay. Again, old value is stored in a where? Yes, old value. What is the old value? What is the old value? Old value is how much? 1. That old value for the transaction is stored in a where? Buffer. Here, this is the old value, undo area. Here, old value. Old value is storing in a where? Here. Screen observe. Oh, maybe whenever we are performing a updation, deletion, some old value, new value, something is there. That is stored in a where? Where? Which one? So now in a buffer. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Now observe it here. Now I am using a what? After update statement, this DML statement, sometimes we are using a what? Commit we are using. Commit. What is commit means? Observe it here. Commit means save. In a database software side, commit means save only. Commit is a command is there. Whenever we are using a what? Commit command, what happened? What happened? Anybody guess it? Yes, what happened means, what is the new value? What is the new value? What is the new value? 5. This new value for the transaction automatically, permanently stored in a where? Stored in a where? In a hard disk. How much easy? Commit means, oh, maybe in a databases, commit means new value for the transaction permanently stored in a where? Stored in a where? In a hard disk. In a hard disk. Now, I don't want to use a what? A commit command. I don't want to use a commit command in a data site. For example, I don't want to save that new transaction in a where? In a my hard disk only. Now, I want to undo the transaction. I want to cancel. Same like a control Z you are pressing in a where? In your Word, MS Word or anything means the some tool side, just undo the transactions are there. No, same like this 5 again, I want to change into where? Change into where? 1. I want to cancel the transaction. 5, I want to change into 1 means just another command we are using only without commit command. Just I'm using a what here? Rollback is a command. Rollback is nothing but undo the transaction. Suppose I'm not saving only. For example, I'm not saving. Without saving only, now I want to cancel again that 5 into where? 1 only. How can I? Yes, rollback is a command we are using. This is a TCL command. So rollback means undo the transaction from memory. Whenever we are using a what? A rollback command, what happened? Screen observe it, what happened? This old value is automatically transferred into where? Transferred into where? New value place. Observe it here. Oh, maybe rollback is a command we are using means undo the transaction from memory. Now here, observe it here. Rollback I'm using. Whenever I'm using a what? A rollback means this 1 is transferred into where? Is this a new value place only? So now here 5 place only. That's why rollback is a command is working in a where it will be working undo the transaction from memory. Old value from the transaction is automatically transferred into where? New value for the transaction. That's why 5 is changed into where? 1 or not. That's why rollback in a future I'm telling means undo the transaction from memory, not in a hard disk. Again, commit means what? Commit means save only. That is a new value for the transaction permanently stored in a where? In a hard disk only. Okay, fine. How much easy? Suppose here this is a commands are there. Now check it out. I try to change 1 into where? 5. Yes, possible or not possible? Practical observe it here. I am using a what? Update command. Whenever I'm using a what? Update command, where it will be affected that data? In a memory area. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now check it out. 1 row updated. Just observe it here, some transaction in a future, not now. Just my interest purpose, I'm telling only, oh, maybe database means something is there in a future. demo class, no? That's why suddenly I'm telling this one. Now here test is a what a table like this. Now, yes, so 5 is there or not? Again, I'm changing a 1 into 5 or not working. Now, yes, I don't want to save this 5 into permanently. I want to cancel this 5 into where 1 only. I want to cancel the previous transaction, undo the transaction from memory only. I want to cancel the what? Previous transaction. How can I? Just we are using a what? Which command? Very good. Which command? Roll back. In a data side, roll back is a command is there. What is roll back? What is update? What is delete? We are learning in our course. Just I'm showing only now here, yes, easiness purpose. Now I want to cancel the what? A transaction means just we are using a what? A roll back is a command is there in every database. Don't afraid, only just observe it. Now, whenever I'm using a what? Rollback means undo the transaction from memory, not in a hard disk. Now, rollback is completed. Rollback means cancel. Okay, na? Yes, previous transaction. Whenever we are typing a what? This one after rollback, now select star from what is the table is there? Test is a table is there. Now, again, that 5 is there, no, previous case 5 is there. Now that 5 is changed into where? 1 automatically. Cancel the transaction or not? Yes. How it is possible? Just here undo the transaction from memory. Whatever old value is there, that value is transferred into where? In a new value place only, 5 place only. That's why rollback means undo the transaction from memory. Okay, fine. Now again I'm interested to change 1 into 5. Again I'm interested to change. How can I? Just we are typing a what? Update command. Update table name, set here s number is equal to 5. And now observe it here where s number is equal to 1. Whenever we are performing again a transaction means where it will be affected, maybe guess it roughly. Okay, any non-technical person doesn't know. Just here and now here roughly guess it. And now here, very good. Yes, where it will be affected? In a memory area. Now check it out. Select star from some select statements are there. Yes, scenario observe it here. Test only. Yes, where it will be affected? In a RAM memory area 5. Now observe it here. Now, okay, here this is a test is a table is there in a hard disk only. And now here, now practical observe it here. This is 5 is there in a buffer, new value. This is a old value, 1 is there, okay, in a memory area. Now in a hard disk only, some files are there. That is the tables are available in a hard disk, okay. Through this one easily understandable, or maybe tables are available in a hard disk, you are understandable, don't worry. Now here, yes, here 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Now I want to, so now here, yes, save this 5 permanently into hard disk. Why? Because yes, maybe tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow, after 1 year also, the same data I want only means I want to save this transaction. Suppose whenever you are going to ATM center, just you have a balance is 10,000 rupees are there. You are withdrawing a what? How much? 3,000 rupees. Remaining balance is how much? 7,000 rupees permanently stored in a hard disk. Then only now corrected data, so now data is accurate, then only this remaining balance you are viewing only. Suppose you are not saving that data in a hard disk means you are withdrawing a 3,000 rupees also, still 10,000 rupees are there. Totally banking system is collapsed or not? Yes, that's why just we are committing the transactions are very important, okay, in a future. Now check it out. I want to save this new transaction 5 into where? In a hard disk only. Then we are using a what? Commit. Whenever we are using a commit means what? Save, permanently stored in a hard disk only. That save is nothing but a what? Yes, here commit command in a database. Yes, this 5, whenever we are using a commit, this 5 is permanently stored in a where? Hard disk. Whenever in a hard disk the data is stored, automatically this data is gone in a new buffer. Again, in a old buffer also, this data is gone. And now here, now really that is correct or not, check it out. Suppose I'm interested to save this one permanently, commit only. Now commit I'm giving, save that one, commit is completed. Now check it out, select star from, what is the table is there? Test is a table. Okay, this is 5 is there or not? Yes, 5 is there. Now I'm exit from the database, something is there. Okay, fine. Now anybody tell me small question I'm asking. Suppose I'm opening the session. Now in my database, in my hard disk only, observe it here, these are disk only, in a disk only, which value is there? 5 is there or 1 is there? Anybody? In a hard disk only, test is a table is there. Okay, fine. Now in the hard disk only 5 is available or 1 is available. Very good. 5 is available. New transaction. 5 is there. What is going on? You don't know. So but just observe it only. And now here, observe it here practically. Now check it out. I'm checking. And now here, observe it here. I'm checking. That's a permanently stored in the data. What is permanently stored means now you're understandable. Select the star from what the table is there. Test is a table. Okay, na? Yes, 5 is there. Very good. Now I'm asking small question. Yes, okay, 5 is available. Okay, 5 is available in a hard disk only. Okay, one place 5 is there. Yes, 2, 3, 4 is there. In a buffer is there here. Buffer is there. Okay, fine. Now I'm asking some one question only. Maybe you are telling it correctly, means great. Okay, this is a buffer. Now I want to cancel this 5 into where 1 only. Possible or not possible? Now I try to use a what a rollback. What happened? Again, whenever I'm typing a what rollback means this 5 is changed into 1. Possible or not possible? Anybody guess it? Whenever now after saving this data in a hard disk only, now I am typing a what rollback. Whenever I'm typing a rollback, again this 5 is changed into 1. Otherwise, still 5 is available. Very good. All are telling a correct answer. Very good. Correct. Yes, still 5 is there. Yes, here this 5 is cannot change it into where? Yes, 1 only. Why? Because whenever you are observing a what commit means, yes, in a previous case, that data, new data for the transaction permanently stored in a hard disk. Okay, I'm agree. But in that case, yes, this old new data and old data is gone in a memory. Whenever I'm using a what rollback means, rollback means undo the transaction from memory. But any data is there in a memory? No, the data is not there. That's why after saving that one, yes, we are trying to use a what undo the transaction also, it won't work. Very good. Yes, here now check it out. Rollback I'm using also. And now here, yes, here now check it out. Yes, again still 5 is there or 1 is there. Select star from what the table is there. Test only. And now here test here. What is the value is there? 5. Very good. 5 only. That's why observe it here. Oh, maybe suppose why suddenly I am telling why this one means you are a first time newcomer, non-technical person, anything you don't have an idea. But unfortunately, at least what is commit, what is rollback also, what is going on in a server, okay, memory in a hard disk, easily understandable or not? That much of easy databases. Without any knowledge of the any programming language knowledge, you don't know also, we are handling, yes, diagrammatically, what is going on internally, on idea, nothing. These all commands we are learning in our course. Don't worry. Now here, that's why I'm intimating to you, yes, oh, maybe that much of easy. You don't have an idea what is going on internally, roughly, you don't have an idea. Daily, we are writing what commands and we are executing, no use. No use of learning. That's why so many fellows are doesn't know, okay, yeah, anything, they are typing commands, commit, rollback, so many things only. And now here, but unfortunately, whenever they are attending an interview, yes, interviewer asking any question, body language is tension. And now here, body language is not good. Yes, interviewer easily identifying is a fake candidate only. When the confidence level is increasing means whenever you are observing what is going on in internally, properly we are learning. Basically your very good knowledge is there, then only your confidence level is different and also body language is different. That's why once we are yesterday very fast is something I'm telling, no, why I'm telling that one means those all the things you are not understanding, not required. Whenever subject is starting in a practically very slowly, all the things I'm telling, then you are receiving all the things very easy only. That's why a body language is totally different when we are good at what that subject. And now presentation is very important only. And now here, that's why suddenly I'm telling a what that data occasional retrieval means before we are going to start data redundancy, some transaction knowledge is required, that ACID property, some concept is required, that purpose only. Okay, na? And now here, write it, second one, data redundancy. Data redundancy. Data redundancy. Okay, buffers are there. So many buffers are there. Database buffer, cache, shared pool, now here a large pool, so many buffers are there. Suppose in a where whenever buffer means some memory area, okay, some portion on it. Suppose in a Java, whenever you are submitting a what in a program, where it will be syntactically, semantically checking, in a JVM is there. Same like whenever you are typing a what in a commands, either select, either update, either delete, these commands syntactically, semantically checking. First, these commands are stored in a where in a memory area. Shared pool is a memory, some buffer is there. In that shared pool only, and now here just that okay, so now library cache is there. In that one, that select statements are storing, update statements are storing, yes, before execution only. And now those statements are storing in a way library cache. In that one, syntactically, semantically checking. Whenever syntax errors are there, errors are displayed. Whenever execution start means successfully now syntax correct, then execution start in a buffer. Some database buffer cache is a buffer is there in that one. Some fellows asking what is buffer like that. Okay, so no, don't worry. Data redundancy. Why redundancy means I will tell you. First, data redundancy. Really, redundancy means duplicate data. Really, now here duplicate data is not a biggest problem. Some other problem is there. Why that problem also occurred means I will tell you. Suppose, for example, now slowly observe it here. I am a flat file programmer, not a database programmer. Observe it here. I am a flat file programmer. Okay, fine. Flat file program. Actually, slowly observe it here. Flat file, why flat file approach is so many drawbacks means, in this flat file approach, data is storing in a hard disk, but unfortunately, next classes side diagrams are there. Actually, in a flat file approach means some application programs are there. Here, some programs we are writing. This application program maintain a what? Its own file. Some file is there. Again, another application program is there in an organization. This application program also maintain a what? Its own file separate from other application program. Again, some other application program is there in an organization. This application program also maintain a file that is different from other application program in the organization. That's why every program maintain its own file. Every program maintain its own file. Every program maintain its own file only. That's why here some data is there. Again, same data also available in this file. Again, same data is also available in this file. That's why sometimes we are maintaining a multiple copies of the same data in a different files only. That is called duplicate data or redundant data. But nowadays databases means this all the data is there in a very single place only. Okay, those things I'm telling in a later. First observe it here. Check it out. Slowly observe it here. One example through I'm telling. Suppose I'm a flat file programmer. For example, one application program is there. Don't write it, just observe here. In this application program, one file is there. Suppose here bookstore is some application I want to implement in a very flat file approach. In this one, book file is there. Don't write it. Here in this one, book file is there. Okay. Some program you are writing in a very flat file programmer. In this book file only, there is the book file.txt. Some file is there. In this file only, some data is there. For example, book ID is there. Again, book name is there. Don't write it. Book name is there. Again, here price of the book, type of the book, some information is there. Again, publisher name is there. Okay, fine. Publisher address is there. For example, publisher address, okay, name or ID or anything, address is there. Okay. Now, so much of information is there, data is there in a way in this file. This file is maintained by some now here program only, okay, application program. Again, another okay, file also available. For example, in a project side, another file is available. That is a publisher.txt. For example, another file is available in a project side, publisher.txt. This file is maintained by another application program in a flat file approach. In this file also, some publisher information is there. Suppose publisher phone number they are storing. For example, phone number. Again, publisher, now here publisher, now here email ID they are storing. For example, okay, some other information, mail ID. This is data. Okay, fine. Again, like a publisher name also, here also they are storing only. Okay, fine. Again, publisher ID or anything. Again, publisher address also they are storing. Slowly observe it here. Very easily understandable. Okay, some book file is there. In that file only some data is there in a old and this project side. This file is maintained by some program. Don't worry. Again, this another file is there. This file also maintained by some other application program that is separate from the where this application program. Okay. Every application program maintain its own file. For example, something is there. Okay, this is you don't have an idea. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, in these two files, without any knowledge also, in these two files, same data is, some data is what? Same data is there. Check it out. Yes. Yes, always in these two files, here publisher name is there. Here also publisher name is there. Check it out. In this file, okay, publisher address is there. In this file also publisher address is there. That's why sometimes we are maintaining a what? Multiple copies of the same data in a different files only. This data is also called as duplicate data. This data is also called as duplicate data. Sometimes we are maintaining a what? Same data in a different files only. That data is also called as what? Duplicate data, or this data is also called as what? Redundant data. This data is also called as redundancy. Redundant data. Okay, fine. Sometimes we are maintaining a multiple copies of the same data in a different files only in a flat file approach. That data is called what? Duplicate data. Yes, duplicate data is the biggest problem. No, absolutely no. In our databases also duplicate data is there in a feature. But what is the difference? What is the problem in a where flat file approach means? Duplicate data is not a biggest problem. Another problem is there. What is that one means? Concentrate here, very easily understandable. Suppose in this file only, now concentrate in this file, publisher address, for example, Hyderabad is the address. For example, Hyderabad is the address. In this file also same publisher is there. This publisher address is a what? Hyderabad. For example, here also presently this publisher address is Hyderabad. Now I'm a flat file programmer. Through my program, I'm modifying this. I'm changing a what? This Hyderabad address in a this publisher address in a book file only. I'm changing only this Hyderabad address into where Mumbai is a address. Okay, fine. Whenever I'm changes made in a where this duplicate data, this the Hyderabad, I want to change, modify this data into where Mumbai in a book file. Now automatically in a publisher.txt file, Hyderabad is automatically changed into Mumbai. Otherwise, still Hyderabad only available. Anybody tell me? Whenever we are modifying the data in a one file, those modifications are affected in a where? Affected in a where? Another file, otherwise never affected. Very good. This is a flat file approach. These modifications, whenever we are modifying a data in a one file, those modifications in a duplicate data side, whenever we are modifying the data in a one file, those modifications are never affected in a where? Another file only. This is called which one? Inconsistency. Consistent data is not there. Inconsistency is a biggest problem. Inconsistency is a biggest problem in a where? In a flat file approach. Consistent data is not there throughout the project. Here publisher address Mumbai is there in this file, but okay, another file publisher address Hyderabad is there. That is not a consistent data. Inconsistency is available. Inconsistency is a biggest problem in a where? Flat file approach. That's why duplicate data is there, but unfortunately duplicate data in a feature databases also there. But here main problem is there. Whenever we are modifying the data in a one file, those modifications are never affected in a where? Another file. That is called what? Inconsistency. Inconsistency is a biggest problem in a where? Flat file. But inconsistency problems are never occurred in a databases. Why? And what is that one means? We are learning what it now. That is important. Okay, just at least this theory write it only. And now here fastly write it, this theory. And now here, what is those flat files? You don't know also. Next diagrams are there. Through that one, you are understandable. Write it, data redundancy. In flat file approach, sorry, in flat files, sometimes we are maintaining we are maintaining multiple copies of the multiple copies of the same data in different files. Different files means different locations, different files. This data is also called as duplicate data or redundant data. Duplicate data or redundant data. In flat file next pair, write it. In flat file approach, flat file means old and new. In flat file approach, whenever we are modifying, this data, this duplicate data is there. This data in one file, then the data is never affected. In another file. Then the data is never affected in another file. This is called this phenomenon. Okay, this is called inconsistency. This is called inconsistency. Okay, na? Yes, up to this one is enough. Maybe this ID or another batch. Okay, na? Yes, up to this one is today enough only. Okay, next this continuation, next class slide we are telling only. Tomorrow, are you coming tomorrow? Maybe Saturday some fellows are first time, no? Yeah, they are coming or not, I don't know. Okay, tomorrow, maybe first Saturday, no, there is no class. Okay, Monday will continue. Okay, fine. Monday will continue. Monday fastly I'm telling you what are remaining flat file approach drawbacks only. Then DBMS something is there, through that one database, through that one physical and logical structure, which structure you are working, those all the diagrams through I'm telling, then is understandable. Okay, yes, here Monday will continue. Okay, any doubts are there? Yes, some fellows asking only, shall we get the soft copy notes? Yes, sir. Soft copy is available. Maybe in a net only, Murli or PDF, you are typing in 11G, maybe olden days PDF is there, maybe 2008 or anything, 2010 or anything. There are some fellows are putting. And now here that notes also that same thing. But nowadays extension is there so much of thing. Advanced note, this is 19C. Otherwise, in a they are providing management, providing only maybe in a Google Drive or anywhere. Okay, so they're putting a what PDF. Okay, so now these are all the things PDF is there. Maybe reading purpose they are giving only anywhere some particular month's time only. Just you have to read it. Not a problem. Okay, yeah. Maybe videos you have to ask means that. Okay, yeah. This batch will be up to maybe, yeah. So now here 5 o'clock is starting only in a future, 5 to 6:30 or 7. Okay, yeah. Because some fellows are requesting only 7 o'clock, some batches are there. Not a problem. Okay, yeah. Timings 5 o'clock to 6:30 or 7. Okay, in a future, not now. Up to 1 week only 1 hour. Okay, yeah. Don't worry. First time, no. Okay, na? Yeah. Monday will continue 6 o'clock. Monday will continue. Okay, yeah. Monday we'll continue in a 6. Okay, na? Yeah, not a problem. Monday will continue. Okay, yeah.